Ake sisifune sisithole Mabhodla TV. Mabhodla TV. I know my story. Mabhodla TV.
Emagumbini amane eSouth Africa iningizimu intshonalanga inyakatho kanye nempumalanga siyabingelela ingane zakwethu. Namhlanje ke sibuyile kulolu hlelo ake sifune sithole ukuthi singobani thina. Sizocela ukuthi ke abantu abasalayo kulezi ingxoxo baphuthumela lapha ku YouTube channel bafike baseshe bathi I know my story podcast, baphinde futhi baseshe bathi ku TikTok @mabhodla ke sifune sithole. Angifuni ukupholisa amaseko engane zakwethu. Namhlanje siphinde samema laphana insizwa yakaMatshane uThokozane Sithole uSozigidi. Sizoqhubeka ke la sagcina khona ingane zakwethu ngeinhlelo esake sakhuluma ngazo nokulalela ke imbono ke yabalandeli abasuke bebhalile ukuthi siyacela uphinde futhi usilandele uSozigidi umfoka Sithole. Namhlanje ke sithe asimlandeke ingane zakwethu sikwazi ukuzoqhubeka la sagcina khona. Angifuni ukuthi ingane zakwethu ngidle isikhathi sababukeli. Ngizothatha leli thuba ngimbingelele mfoka Sithole. Siyakubingelela kulolu hlelo ake sifune sithole.
Ngibingelele nami baba Mabhodla.
Yes.
Jabule nje ukuthi siphinde silithole leli thuba. Ngixolise kubabukeli bakithi uma besuke besithinta khona izinto ebeyisahlela kodwa ke ngicathi kuzocaciseka konke namhlanje.
Yes.
Bonge nje ukuthi hayi siphinde silithole ithuba.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mfoka Matshana, siyabonga Sozigidi. Leli igama lika Sozigidi sizophinde futhi sifisa ukuthi abalaleli bazi ukuthi igama lezigameko ngokomsebenzi. So igama nje lakhe uThokozane Sithole. Cha lapha mnewethu sikubizile namhlanje ukuthi sizoqhubeka. Uke wathinta indaba ejule kakhulu lapha indaba yomqondo ukuthi indaba yomuntu isemqondweni. So sitha soliqedela lolu daba namhlanje ukuthi indaba sithole namhlanje sonke sinenkinga ngendaba yomqondo.
Mama Mabhodla indaba yomqondo ngendlela engafundiseka ngayo mina. Ngiyifunda ngokuyibamba ngendlela nami ngibamba ngayo kusho ukuthi kuya ngokuthi nawe usuke ujule kangakanani ngento osukuyifuna. So uma ngathiwa ngixoxa istory esingaba sida kakhulu ukuthi kwenzakalani mhlambe sosithola ithuba ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa ke just nje kafuphi. So the last time sathinta endabeni ye stick person concept.
Yes.
Which is the structure engasifunda from the late Bob Proctor esiuchaza ngendlela kimi eyenza sense umqondo ukuthi usebenza kanjani, operate kanjani. So namhlanje mhlawumbe ngingathi ababukeli epagini lami kuSozigidi 4 kufanele mawufika khona uscroll phansi impela ngoba one of ama videos engawenza ngaseqaleni ama video anemdwebo nje lokuchazwe khona. So uzofika uthole lapho i-explanation uzokwazi ukuyilalela uphinde uyibuke ukuze uyibambe ngoba sokhuluma kakhulu lento ukuphinda ngoba ukuphinda ikhona okukhiye. So kuno line owavela wafika nje emqondweni wami ukuthi shuthi mangikhuluma ngendaba yomqondo kumele lo line ngawushiye. Oqala ngombuzo othi siphinda why kubalekile ukuphinda. So ukuphinda kubaleke ngoba siphinda ukwenza not ukwazi kuphela. So abantu bayabetshela ukuthi mawuphinda into i-repetition is just so that uzoyazi into. No, into uyiphinda ukuyenza. So uma uBob Proctor ethi kwamthatha 9 years ukufika out ukuthi impumelelo yakhe yaqhamukapi from ekubeni umuntu owayehola $4,000 a year to over 175,000. Ukuthi kwamthatha 9 years ukubamba lokho ukuthi it is because one wayefunda Think and Grow Rich every day. Imentor yakhe yayithe akafunda Think and Grow Rich every day. Ebese yena waseyinikeza i-task ukuthi uzolalela i-Strange Secret ka-Elle Nightingale every day emotweni me drive. So every day wayilalela uElle Nightingale ekhuluma ku-Strange Secret. So Strange Secret siya exist ungasithola na ku YouTube nawe uyilalelele sona. It's just an audio nje noma i-video ewu 30 minutes long, 31 minutes. So ukulalela kwakhe lama audio ukufunda kwakhe think and grow rich every day lokho kuphinda phindi khona okwamenza wagcina actor njengale information ayitholayo so yingakho ke kube lungu ukuthi basibeke kulesi simo esikuso mase si relate but sisazongena lapho so mangichaza ngiphinde ngidlule ngiye kwenye into engibiza nge-rev counter effect again ne-rev counter effect ngoba the visuals awekho la uyakwazi ukuthi uyithole futhi nakhona lapha page ngoba kulela page ziningi izinto engayichaza ngase ngiyama umsebenzi nje ngawushiya kanjalo ukuze ngoba engase ngikuchazile ngicathi kwase kwanele ukuthi umuntu umedlule page uzoyithola yonke information so i-rev counter effect it's just me ngichaza ukuthi i-information esuke kwi-subconscious yakho mhlawumbe si recap i-stick person is just a drawing echaza ukuthi i-environment kanye nama senses ikhona okulinkayo ukuze information ifike emqondweni so i-environment ifaka information through your nose, through your eyes, through your mouth, via your tongue, your skin bese wena ufila leyo mawuthi ukheleza umoya njengamanje uzoza esikhunjeni sakho umoya ubanda then usuyazi ukuthi lo moya ezwakala kanjalo uyabanda mawushisa futhi uzokwazi ukuthi uyashisa because ukubanda nokushisa ukunderstand umncane ipath esikhona ipathway yakho ehamba izofika kwi-subconscious so i-environment ama senses i-conscious mind i-information inikwa i-sense yakho so if you feel uziphunga lelo ngiyangithanda ukwenza isibonelo KFC ke bakithi ngoba iyona ejwayelekile so mawuziphunga le KFC awuzukuthi kunukani uyazi KFC enuka ngisho ukuthi uyizwa kuphi kodwa maqhamuka iphunga ngazi uzolizwe uzothi kunuka ini ngoba leyo information isuke ibhajwa kwi-therapy area ingakwazi ukudlulela kwi-subconscious ngoba information entsha uyabo so i-information ephindaphindwayo it ends up break i-therapy area kwi-stick person ingene kwi-subconscious immediately mayingena kwi-subconscious isiya control you will act immediately with the information esihambe yafika kwi-subconscious mind so sithi njengamanje uphiso ukuchama uya understand ukuthi kuyini kusho ukuthini kuwena so uzosukuma uthathe wonke ama actions based ekutheni udriver ukuthi ifeeling yokuchama isho ukuthi sukuma uhambe ucinga itoilet yonke lento built into ukusebenza komqondo wakho via umzimba wakho yabo alright so i-rev counter ke iyini okay ngiqedele mhlambe kwi-stick person so environment, senses, conscious mind, therapy area, subconscious, then mzimba uwona oyi-final product yakho konke lokho sekwenzekela i-action yakho by the time when u-actor uthi kunuka KFC environment ikusondezela iphunga vaya ikhala lakho langenisa i-thought emqondweni wakho ukuthi khona enukayo because i-subconscious mind yakho iyayazi kunendlela kwi-therapy edlula iya kwi-subconscious yangena immediately information yafika wasuya understand ukuthi kunuka KFC but wena usuya act usuyi result wena usuthi kunuka KFC uyabo because ekugcineni wakho konke wena uyi result kwi-stick person so masidwetshwa kudwetshwa indilinge enkulu wena umuntu udwetshwa ube mncane because wena uyi result ya yonke lento eyenzakala la this is a spiritual exercise esenzeka every moment of every day kubantu yabo so i-rev counter ke yona is about i-information ehleli kwi-subconscious ukuthi controla kanjani ke manje angithi siyalwazi uhlelo angaze ngilibone ngizwa kushiwo ngalo ukuthi khona uhlelo kuthiwa I blew it so where abantu they come across imali eningi and then within a few weeks a few years imali ayisekho sebe broke sebeyahlupheka kwenziwa yini lokho so umuntu uma ungakwazi ke not ungakwazi ukudrive but umongeze unganaka ngekuyibambe kahle lento kodwa ke uzohamba uyoyibona imoto inama gauges asithathe nje ngiyibona lezi zamanje ama gauges amanye ase digital manje asithathe nje igauge ejwayelekile engathi iwash ine gauge ye revolutions per minute counter ibe ne gauge ye speedometer ukuthi speed ihamba nga speed esingakanani imoto iyoba ne gauge mhlawumbe oil nomanzi so asikhulume thina ngale eyama revs le kwazi ukutshela udriver ukuthi akashintshe igear noma alehlise So kwenzakalani kwi ref counter. So imoto iyaqala ufaka u1 ufaka unyathela accelerate imoto ihambe. Ikhuphuka i-rev counter ithi ibheke ko4 ifuna ukuya ko5 imoto iklinyeke wenze njani ufaka igear phezulu yehle uqhubeka futhi uhamba ufaka igear phezulu lokhu yehle so imoto ino 4 noma 1.5 okuyi room ye uthi lolu olukala i-revolutions per minute count. So abantu ababoli bangadideki hamba nje nami uzoyizwa lento ekugcineni irelate kanjani nomqondo wakho. So this is the safety zone yemoto. This part umqondo wakho njalo uthi lolu le revolution le RPM counter olungakwazi ukudlula kuyo. If udlula ngapha ku mhlawumbe 1.5 libheke ku1 yaqala imoto ikhwehlele isifuna wenzeni wehlisa amagear mhlawumbe bese kufanele ume. So le safety zone le thatha ngokuthi subconscious mind yakho. Whatever information ekwi subconscious mind yakho ioperate exactly as le safety zone. Uma let's say ubukade umuntu ojwayele ukuhola 5,000 ngenyanga. So kwi safety zone yakho it goes up to 5,000.
Yes.
And then bese all of a sudden vele ulahlekelwe umsebenzi. Mhlawumbe lo 5,000 usuhole for 10 years. Bese mhlawumbe bevele bekhathe bekhathe isalary yakhe emsebenzini noma uvele ulahlelwe umsebenzi. Kwenzakalana ngithi yehla manje iye below kulo 5,000. So what's going to happen emqondweni wakho, you're going to quickly look for another job and uzowuthola based on i-safety zone yakho because ijaha ukubuyisela kulo 5,000.
Yes.
Yabo. Ngamanye amazwi ifuna ukubuyisela kule lifestyle ka 5,000 ngoba iyona ijwayele. Ake sithi kujwayele u5,000. Ebese you come across 100,000. Jwayele u5,000 wena. So all of a sudden i-revolutions per minute counter iyadlula ku4 5 6 7 because wena manje usuvele wasuka from your safety zone wahamba waya ku7. Lize yenza njani imoto iyaklinyeka ifuna ukuthi khuphula amagear. So uzokwenza umqondo wakho uzokwenza operate fast nawe ukuthi amagear yakho phupha. You gonna work towards uspenda le mali uyathanda uthanda even if izinto zenza sense but you will be spending le mali so that ubuyele back to u5,000. Because ilapha ejahe khona ukuthi kubuyisele ku5,000. So that's why ngithi operator njenge revolutions per minute count. You have a safety zone with subconscious mind yakho based with information you have received emncaneni bakho ebizwa ngeparadigm. So iparadigm ama habits nje empilo yakho kusuka umncane ekuyiwona control impilo yakho because impilo yakho icontrolwa kwi-subconscious. So mhlawumbe ke ekungeneni deeper ngomqondo ngingahamba ngicine lapho in terms of explanation ngenxa yesikhathi. But okubalekile fanele understand ukuthi i-subconscious mind yakho iyona econtrola umzimba wakho. But information ukuze ifike kwi-subconscious mind kufanele le information idlule kwi-terra barrier. I-terra barrier iyona ke amakama uyayithi sozigida amakama ngezandla ba counter kuyo bathembele kwi-terra barrier ukuthi yona ezohlala ke manje isivimbe ukuthi simove from ekubeni nabantu esifuna ukuba yibo from ekubeni labantu esizibona namhlanje because once information entsha yafika emqondweni wakho uyathuka uyesaba uyayibalekela wenza ini. So that's why to terra barrier because iyakuthusa le information entsha ngoba ayikakajwayeleki. So isibonelo ke sayisenza isibonelo se-footpath ehlathini ukuthi uhambe ehlathini kungenandlela indlela ikhandeka ngokuthi ikhanjwe njalo lokukhanjwa. So if you put one thought lokhu icabanga eventually leyo thought whether le thought nansi into ebalekile nge-subconscious. Subconscious cannot take a joke. The subconscious does not know what is real and what is fake. The subconscious does not know ukuthi lokhu yakufuna noma ukufuni. The subconscious i-actor on information ephinda-phindiwe ya terra barrier efika kuyona. Ukuthi wena ubuphinda-phinda ukuthi ubroke. wakuphinda kwaze kwa brachytera barrier kwafika kwi-subconscious then uzoba broke. Ukuthi ubuphinda ukuthi wena uyaphumelela yonke into yenzayo iyaphumelela, phinda lawo mazwi. Subconscious bethu uhlupheka kanjani, kodwa umuphinda lawo mazwi with a positive mental attitude, subconscious yakho injalo i-terra barrier izobreakeka, information ingene kwi-subconscious, then uzobona izinto wena ezinhle zokwehlela empilweni yakho without you understanding ukuthi no ilanguage uyikhulumayo ne-feeling onayo ngale language uyikhulumayo, uyabo. So ukuphinda ke then becomes ukuthi siphinda ukwenza because of that reason, because mawuphinda information i-brachytera barrier ifike kwi-subconscious bese control umzimba bese ikwenza uact in accordance with le information. So that's why kuthiwa kwi-subconscious it is the seat of emotions and feelings, because ngeke uact entweni ongena imizwa ngayo, ungafili lutho ngayo. Yonke into actayo ngayo is because there's an emotional attachment kuyona. That's because leyo nto i-attached kwi-subconscious. So without ukuthi into iphindaphindwe ayikwazi ukugenerate enough vibration ukuthi kubeke kwi-frequency yaleyo feeling yalento oyifunayo ebese uya-acta ngayo. So you repeat ukuze wenze, awurepeateli ukwazi kuphela. This is the I think umlalelo obukelayo kumele uyibhale phansi lento ngoba I don't think ikhona into ebaluleke ukuyi-understand okudlula le ngomqondo ukuthi why kumele uyiphinda because once you understand ukuthi uma ufuna into zibeke kwi-state sokuyiphinda up until uze uyibone usuyenza. In fact ngeke uyiphinda ngalendlela yokuthi uze uthi hayi sengiyayenza. Yabona makusasho wena ngomlomo uthi into sengiyayenza yazi uthi awuyazi. The only way to know ukuthi into usuyiphinda enough is when you are acting in accordance with that information. So acta ngalendlela le information okade uyiphinda. That is why ke kubalekile ukunderstand umqondo ngoba once wayibamba lapho ekutheni ukuphinda why kubalekile, then uzo understand ukuthi osomtsewu neBhayibheli nayo yonke enye into emhlabeni why isenza sibehave ngalendlela esibehave ngayo, because ekugcineni kwakho konke it is about repetition. Ayikho futhi enye.
Siyathokoza kakhulu sozigidi ukuthi uqala usicacisele sisuke lapha la sagcina khona nomlaleli, because umlaleli wagcina ebambe leli lokuthi indaba isemqondweni. Ngiyakhumbula sikhuluma, so ufuna la simukhumbuzeke before siye deep ngoba khona bazosala siselapho nje mne wethu. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ke yesi ke sezenzeka zonke lezi zinto kulomqondo, isystem ke yona ke isetshenziswa kanjani ukuthi ihlasele umqondo womuntu, because siyabona ukuthi abantu abaningi beko awe ukuthi isystem iyabahlasela ngalento yomqondo.
Mhlawumbe into engifikelayo as ungibuza ngifikela ukuthi mhlawumbe i-ref counter effect angiyifikisanga kwi-conclusion yayo, ngidigressile ngabuyela back kwi-subconscious. So lapha ku-ref counter i-point lami lokuthi ngichaze okwenzeka kwi-subconscious yakho nge-ref counter ukuthi u-understand ukuthi all you have to do empilweni yakho ukuze kube khona umehluko ukurepeata i-information outside of your comfort zone. This is your comfort zone, i-safety zone yemoto, i-comfort zone yakho. So uma ufuna ukuthi kube khona i-growth, wayethi uJim Rohn wayethi saphila uma ufuna uzazi ukuthi khona imali ezofika, imali enkulu ezofika, uzoba i-millionaire for example. So wayethi for the next 6 months ungayisebenzisa imali, hamba uyofundela ukuba i-millionaire. Ngamanye amazwi yo-increase i-safety zone yakho ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi manje lama millions mase kufanele wasebenzise imali wenze njani, uyabo. Anyway, so ngibuyele back ke ekuthenini i-system ke manje isebenza kanjani
uhlasela umqondo,
ukuthi umqondo ke manje uhlasela. That was the whole point, by the way. I-system is designed to attack umqondo more than umzimba. Umzimba is nothing. Umzimba ucontrol umqondo. So abelungu they engineered a system via ngokwethu kaMazulu via uShepstone. So ngicabanga ngiqale ngithinte yena. uShepstone mutadisha usummarize nje umlando wakhe ukuthi uShepstone wayengaseli social elali empini. uShepstone ubeyilo umuntu okuma shadows okuyena ohlohla ibhama. Yabo uShepstone belo muntu ofika ahlebele wena ukuthi usibanibani uyakuthakatha. Ebese phinde yohlebela yena futhi ukuthi nawe uyamthakatha. Yabo emva kwalokho senizozondana. Literally lento ayenza kubantu abamnyama ukuze akwazi ukuthi abanqobe. Yabo uShepstone ubekwazi ukubheka enye inkosi makunembango ngoba efuna ukuthi iwine ngoba uyayibona ukuthi weak. Uyazi ukuthi mayisi winile uzoyibetray.
Oh yeah.
So what did he do uma beqeda kuwina after behlulwe esandlana base babuya beboya ngamandla banqoba? Wahlakaza umbuso kwaZulu into 13 chief what? Khona igama abalisebenzisayo kodwa wahlukana 13 times waba namakhosi awu 13 because inhloso kwakuukuhlakaza ukuthi ngoba wawubonakala ukuthi strong ayikho indlela yokunqoba completely so ungcona uhlakazwe kungakwazi ukuunite usebenze ndawonye so into izinto ezenzeka zipractical but ngeke wena uyibone ukuthi zayi attack umqondo izinto ezenzeka mina ngizorelate entweni ezazenzeka nami ngiyibona ngisemncane ngisakhula
yes
isibaya uShepstone waqinisekisa ukuthi uyasiqeda but isibaya kavela ngaqeda isibaya wakhanda idipha wadesign ukuthi kukhandeke idipha kuleli idipha thina saqala lapho saba neattitude edidayo sabantu these people came here bazosilimaza hayi yonke indlela ongasuyicabanga so thina sesibathemba ukuthi leli idipha abasilethele lona lizophilisa inkomo zethu yani inkomo zazingafi right away inkomo bezifa systematically nga1 nga2 zazizaphela ibaya futhi mayiphela ibaya zaphela around the same time ibaya muzobala mhlawumbe it was maybe play a period of 5 to 10 years before ibaya iphele hayi ukuthi imangithi iphele ngisho ukuthi ibaya isekho sengisho ukuthi every household had isibaya namhlanje how many households have ibaya namhlanje ngoba isibaya sona siyinkaba yomuzi womuntu omnyama so wayazi angithi khona le message lene floatayo eyisithombe Churchill
yes
lo wayethi sibabonile ukuthi labantu laba indlela yokubanqoba ukuthi bakhiphe izintweni zabo
yes
ngoba masingabakhiphe izintweni zabo ngeke sesibanqobe so that was one of the first acts ukuthi sikhishwe isibaya siqedwe now but before uqedwe isibaya waqala kwasusuba ekhaya kwasusuba ekhaya wahamba waye emayini wahamba waye emaplazini so ubaba kasekho ekhaya ubaba mephumile ekhaya uyasala umlungu phela uShepstone isiZulu wayesikhuluma ukudlula ngisho amaZulu mabe emchaza uyabo ama customs ethu indlela ayisewazi ngayo wayazi everything about us ukuze akusebenzise against us so uthe makuphuma ubaba ekhaya kwase kufaka imissionary amadodo othayi namashetha amhlophe
yes
so mangena imissionary izodunga omama la ekhaya kunesithemba ngendlela ekhaya izodunga omama la ekhaya ukuthi baxabane bodwa abanye abawothathekile bayalithatha iBhayibheli leza nalo
yes
abangasibothathekile sebebabi sekuyaxatshana manje useyahamba uyohlebela omunye ukuthi omunye uyamthakatha uyohlebela omunye ukuthi omunye uyamthakatha njengoba kuduma ukuthi ethenjini kuyathakathwa njengamanje literally which kuyathakathwa kweyiningi but indaba isuka lapha ekuthenini into eyafakwa uyabo ngoba ubabona insika yomnotho wekhaya bekuyisithembu and akusemini osho lokho kusho umama akusemini osho lokho isithembu besinitiate omama ngesikhathi sesithembu so abantu abaningi bayebona ngathi makhulu nesithembu into yabantu besilisa unfortunately so zigidi uma sikhuluma ngendlela ngezinto ezenziwa kumuntu omnyama ukuthi destroy ngeke singasimention because si critical part of it all yabo amasulumane njengamanje they are using it ukuthi bathola indlela ukuthi basinqobe yabo anyway yadlule lapho ngoba akusiyi topic engithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu ngayo because abantu abaningi ama subconscious minds awakabi nayo ifile esithembu information esabhajwa lapha kwi therapy yabo uma kukhulunywa ngawo vele nje iphansi kwi therapy umuntu avele yacasuke angafuni nak understand nakuza ukuthi kuthiwani ake asidlule nje lapho but into engifuna ukuya kuyo ukuthi ubaba aphuma ekhaya kwasala kwangena imissionary asala dunga ekhaya wabuya ubaba ubuyise alien emzini wakhe uyabuya emzini wakhe manje ubaba izinto ayisahamba ngendlela ahambe zenzeka ngayo seyishintshile emazini yaqala lapho ke distraction ye family akithi waqala destroyer waqala ahlakaza ama chiefs wahlakaza isizwe ngamanye amazwi sayi kuba imonarchy yodwa wahlakaza isizwe wasethela evening ngisho inkomo ekumele kulotsholwe ngazo so wonke umuntu uyakwazi lokho umbuzo yohlezi umile kimi engawubuza ngisemncane ukuthi isigodlo sakwaZulu asiushintsha ngani nomthetho kaShepstone Ngesikhathi sithatha over siyabantu abamnyama. It's just imibuzo nje umqondo wami obuhlezi uzibuza ukuthi why did we just carry on? Mina ngo94 ngangina 10.
Yes.
So ngangitshela ukuthi after kuvotiwe ayina sesikoleni sesofunda ngenye indlela ke manje. Sesofunda ngoba Africa ke manje ngesi. Lutho kuzangishintshe lutho esikoleni. So uyayibuza yonke leyo nto leyo. I-education ayishintshanga so izwe lelizoshintsha kanjani?
Yeah.
Anyway, so wahlakazwa ke umndeni because isizwe sasesihlakaziwe kwakungakaqedwe makusahlakazwa isizwe kuphela because besengabuya isizwe sibuildeke uma asekhona amandla aso emndenini. So kwahlakazwa umndeni, makuhlakazwa umndeni then sekuhlakazwa isizwe.
Yo.
Till this day umlungu i-biggest weapon yakhe ukuthi umndeni umuntu omnyama afuna ungahlangani.
Uhlakazela.
Namhlanje imndeni ayiboni ngasolinye.
Yo.
Namhlanje i-biggest enemy iphuma emndenini wakho. Into eyasuka ngesikhathi sinqotshwa after impi yesesandlana leyo. Yabo. And that is the biggest weapon umlungu ayisebenzisa. So asikwazi nje ukwenza izinto ndawonye siyabantu abamnyama. No, it's nothing special. Indaba esemndenini.
Kuhlaselwa lapha.
Kuhlaselwa emndenini akufanele sibe ne-spirituality esizodwa. Angifuni ukuthi umsamo wodwa because manje kuzoba ngase ngikhanda i-debate. Kufanele sibe ne-spirituality esizodwa emndenini. But we can't. Uma nami ngimi ngale kwentaba ngithi sami spirituality is right. Nomunye umi ngale kwentaba naye uthi sakhe spirituality is right. Why? Because lona ngale komfula kwi-subconscious kukhona i-Christianity. Kulona ngapha komfula kwi-subconscious kukhona i-AIS, African Indigenous Spirituality. So these two will never work together.
Yo.
Yabo. It doesn't matter whether ngapha Christianity, Islam, Judaism, it doesn't matter.
Yo.
These two will never work together because one is religion, the other is spirituality.
Yo.
These two people confuse religion and spirituality. It's two different things. Yabo. So ngiyafundiswa ke mina lapha e-TRSH ekhalo moya ukuthi emoyeni kuya izinto ziyarevealwa. Ziyarevealwa kwenzeka ama revelations. So ngamanye amazwi kukhulunywa ngento eyaziwayo eyenzakalayo ebonakalayo. Religion kukhulunywa ngento eyenzeka esizwayo ngayo engekho umuntu onobufakazi bayo
ongambulekile ngayo.
So ukuya ngawe ukuthi iliphi side okulona ngoba ngigqoke iphandla nje kusho ukuthi ngikupmeni ku obvious uyabo. So ngizama ukuthini lapho that was and still is how umuntu omnyama is kept ukuthi angakazi ukuhlangana.
Yo.
Because indaba ilinyazwe ekhaya and ayigcini ngakho kulinyazwe ekhaya. Igcina bese izolinyazwa kuweke manje as a person. Ukuthi manje wena as a person wenziwe njani? Uthema umncane wathathwa wofa kwesikoleni.
Yo.
Isikole esikhandoba. Ubani ucreate i-curriculum lesisikole? Kungabe ithina abantu abamnyama for the betterment of ingane zethu noma sikhandwe isitha sethu ukuthi siqhubeke sisigcine si behave ngendlela esifuna ngayo.
Yes.
So namhlanje mangikhuluma angikwenzeki ngiqede engazange ngikhulumele. So abantu bayebetshela ukuthi education angiyithandi. Mina I went through ngisho ngothi onke ama levels e-education ngoba khona isikhathi esafika la nga refuse khona ukuthi nangisaqhubeki manje sengi right. Uyabo ngoba ngabuka ukuthi into engifuna imali.
Yeah.
Uyabo so uma ngifuna imali ngoba ngisho ngoba ngebi qualification une hope ukuthi lo qualification unikimali ningi. Yabo. So what if ngidlala ibhola and I got so good that ngithola i-contract, first contract ngisign u20 million. Umuphi umuntu employed ohola leyo mali?
Akekho.
So what is it evimba abantu ukuthi bayibuke ngaleloso into ukuthi empilweni it's about talent nekhono. It's not about the qualification.
Phela.
Today we've got abantu so zigidi ngicathe I'm jumping ahead but sisazobuya.
Yeah.
We've got abantu today abenza ama course. Akunabantu in the thousands if not millions abahlele emakhaya abangaqashiwe from lawo ma course without AI. Sisakhuluma nje generally.
Yes.
We know ukuthi ake ngibe specific ukuthi imaphi lawo ma course abantu eSouth Africa bayazi. Eteshari khona umuntu otadisha kanzima namhlanje utadisha course ekunani kunomuntu okunabantu abama millions abahlele emakhaya banaleyo qualification. But guess what, because of indaba spirituality uzothi mephuma lo awuthola umsebenzi more than qala kunalaba because lento ibuye ihambe kanjalo ibingahambi ngokuthi wena uqede eqala ihamba ukuthi spiritually ualigned kangakanani nokuthi abakini spiritual DNA sakho basilandela kangakanani you know kune workshop ehlelwayo ebizwa nge Introduction to African Personal Development as ngibusy researcher lo msebenzi wale workshop I come across omunye umlungu engimmention ngoba mase ngikhuluma ama workshop ngikhuluma into ezizimfihlo so abantu bayikhokhela lezi zinto so kufanele ukuthi i content yakhona bayithole kwi workshop so lo mlungu uthi into ebuyishaya abantu kakhulu kunakho konke is their spiritual DNA ukuthi ama past traumas of your ancestors uma engazange aze aruthwe out asolve uyowalandela wonke ama principles of personal development kungenzeki lutho uxakeke wena uzuthi personal development ayisebenzi kanti it's just your spiritual DNA esingasothiwe out if abelungu ke they are saying that then why thina kungasiyinto esiyinakayo leyo sibe siyabantu base Africa abaficwa bephila ngenye indlela kodwa sase sifike siadopta istyle esaphoqwa ukuthi sisebenze ngaso yabo so ngiyajumpa la kodwa into engizama ukuyiveza kaso zigidi ukuthi isystem through uShepstein nabanye yakhandwa nje ukuthi kahlahla bazange bashiye they didn't leave any stone unturned ayikho into abayishiya to chance abelungu they made sure ukuthi at every corner yonke into icontrolwa ibona there's a book igama lencwadi I don't know whether ngiyalazi noma ngiyalikhohlwa kodwa there's a chapter in the book ethi I will never forget what a white man told me in kwaBulawayo in 1980 someone sent me leso sihloko leyo link yaleyo chapter ku Facebook some years back then I went ngayoyifunda leyo chapter it turned out ukuthi incwadi ebhalwe ilunga lomkhonto kodwa ngathi laseZimbabwe and kuleyo chapter uchaza isimo esenzeka kuye esamehlela ukuthi yena wayekhona eZimbabwe beboshwa kukhona ibhunu specifically elamtshela sebezo sentenced to life imprisonment as ama prisoners obandlululo so lo mlungu athi kuye hey nina ni strong nina umtshela babalindele ungene court uthi yo indlela ni strong ngani besazi besazi ukuthi niyeza ukuthi angisakhumbula ukuthi obani ababehlasela abanye kodwa belungu babe ne-information before bottom line leyo wathi kodwa nicishe nasehlula even though besazi indlela eni strong ngayo kodwa ke hayi ngoba siphethe abaholi benu ibona basinike information ayikho into beningeke nize niwine so anisoze na wina because abaholi benu basephaketheni lethu ukusho lokho bezoboshwa kuhamba iminyaka uMgabe alwine ukhetho ayiwini eZimbabwe ibuye le ndoda isifuna manje after bekhishwe ejele futhi ngathi babeziboshwa zezobandlululo bakhishwe ejele ngiyasummarize la ngisakhumbula ukuthi kuhamba word for word ngendlela engisho ngayo kuleya chapter so bese yena efikelwa ukuthi hayibo kusafanele ngiyofuna lo mlungu owathi ngeke size siwine ngiyomchomela ngokuthi ngeke size siwine ahambe aphindele eZimbabwe kusho ukuthi wayesengapha eSouth Africa ayofuna lo mlungu athola umlungu so retire shothi bamnikeza inamba yakhe amfonela amthole shothi sehlala ku estate somewhere shothi khona kwaBulawayo lapho hayi ammeme lo mlungu bahambe ayeke kuyena mayefika kuyena ufika amthelele nje uwhisky bahlale shothi nje babantu abazoxoxa kuyazwana phela manje it's years later so bese ethi ilunga lomkhonto lelithi manje wena wathi ngeke size siwine
yes
nakho siwinile njengamanje wabona mangikhumbula kahle uthi lo mlungu kuthiwa noma wabeka iglass phansi wasukuma kodwa wa actor strange wasukuma uma ngeenyawo wambuza wathi niwineni niwini iParliament a talking house umnotho uphethe uba ama minerals aphethe uba waseqala phansi esemchazela ukuthi benza kanjani abelungu uqinisekisa ukuthi noma bengasaphethe bazobe bephethe because they knew ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi by our numbers nje sogcina siwinile.
Oh yeah.
So baqala iprocess yokuthi bakhiphe iinformation yokuthi okhokho bethu babephila kanjani completely kwi-circulation ye-information so that even noma sesiphethe thina singezukwazi ukuthi siqala ephi ukuthi siyifide, siqale ephi ukuthi sigqokise, siqale ephi ukuthi sidle, siqale ephi ukuthi senzeni, sifunde, senzeni, sizithuthukise because yonke i-information isuka from bona. Cabanga khulunywa ngeZimbabwe into eyenzeka ngo-1980. Mina lapho ngise South Africa ngibona remember the exact thing eyenzeka ezweni lethu. Yabo. Which means this is the system they went across the world they implementa. Where they went they wiped out yonke information yokuthi abantu bakhona bebephila kanjani so that bezobafaka indlela zabo zokuphila baphile ngazo badepende kuzo.
Yeah.
So right now if in South Africa ufuna ukcreate a system yokuphila yokuthi niphile endaweni ngabantu abamnyama, you're starting from scratch. You're starting from scratch even though phela you're not starting from scratch kodwa kufanele manje uzama ukuthola ukuthi ikupho kuyiqiniso kupho kungamanga ebese out of that ukwazi ukukhipha into ezokwazi ukukhanda indlela yokuphila yakho nabantu osukuzama ukuphila nabo. So kahle wakha into engena blueprint because the blueprint ya destroy on purpose. So that's why it's difficult. That's why you will find many platforms kukhulunywa ngokuthi fanele umuntu omnyama ahlangane. Wonke umuntu usho njalo. Fanele sihlangane senze. But sihlangana kanjani? Isimple indaba yokuhlangana siyahlanganisa ama ideas awekho. Why? Because we are not practicing personal development. You know, sasikithi khona into ekuthiwa mastermind.
Yes.
Babo mastermind sasikithi ngiphinde nakhona ngal-understanda ngelinye igama le terminology ethi masterminding. It's a mastermind, it's an additional mind edekayo when two or more people bahlangana ndawonye and they start doing something together, they start brainstorming ideas benza a mastermind iya-createka between them. Mina bengilokhu ngithi ukumastermind ngiyitshela ukuthi ukumastermind is just a process yami nawe uma sihlangana sixoxa senzini. Kanti there is an invisible spiritual mastermind that gets developed because mina nawe we are serious, we want to start developing into okungeyithu.
Yes.
Even ngisho we outwitting the devil. The first half of outwitting the devil where Napoleon Hill now uxoxa ngestory sakhe ukuthi powerful kanje understand umqondo ukuthi usebenza kanje etadishe ama millionaires all over America ukuthi aphila kanjani. Samfica kodwa isimo sokuthi naye eyithole ignorant in a sense yokuthi wayithole sesaba sephila impilo yokusaba yokubhaca ukucasha yokwenzana. Yabo. Ukuthi wazikhipha kanjani khona wazikhipha ngokuthi abuyele back inside. Wazikhipha ngokuthi mangikhumbula kahle khona ilanga lapha decide khona ukuthi uzosithola isisombululo salenkinga abhekene nayo salolu uvalo lokhu lumshaya sabo ukubulawa abantu ngenxa ukuthi wayiba exposeile kanjani ku newspaper. Uthi ngalelo langa wathatha isinqumo sokuthi uzo walk around le ndawo ayihamba kuyo until isolution azayithola. And uthi yathi mayifika isolution wama lapho into eyenzeka wa connect ne-self and then yaqala information yafika kwi-self and information mayifika kwi-self wayilalela exactly ukuthi inner self mayikhuluma kufanele enze ukuthi. That's why le yancwadi yabhalwa ngama-1930s yazakhishwa ngo-2011 because incwadi ephethe enye information. So the second half ke manje is when through the conversation with the devil esechaza ke manje ukuthi kahle system eba controller kanjani abantu. Yabo. So there's a lot of things a system ezenzayo ukuthi igcine abantu kwi state sokuthi bangakwazi ukwenza izinto abayifunayo but ekugcineni kwakho konke isystem icreatelwe ukuthi isigcine sikwi state of fear, singakwazi ukwenza izinto ezizo elevator imqondo yethu so that sikwazi ukcreate these masterminds, sikwazi ukuba creative enough ukuthi sikhanda ama solutions for izinto ezizenza. So singahlala la sobathathu mhlambe si discuss something but lo something esudiscussayo ngenxa yokuthi statistics siso low sabantu aba honest ngoba lento umona igreed yonke le nto le siyifunda kulo 12 years yabo 12 years usesikoleni sikufunda ngaleso sikhathi because khumbula ngiyathanda ukureference these elders ubani lelikhehla lela seladlula kodwa bebe uthungu balandela ama elders history uDr uBen Jokanini kanye noHenry Clark yes so uHenry Clark wayevamise ukuthi isitha sakho asisoze sakwenzela into enhle ezokwenza ukuthi wena ube powerful mawulwa naso
yeah
so thina how can we believe that umuntu ngathi umuntu umzonda wena ukholelwa ukuthi uzokunikeza into ezosiza wena and lento engishoyo does not make sense kumuntu ophila kwicomfort ngenxa yale era esiphila kuyo yezinto zabelungu uyayazi so zigidi concept ye house nigger makhuluma nge house nigger concept le ngisanda ukuyithola ngithola a couple of years back I think uMalemo ke wayikhuluma indaba ama house niggers mhlawumbe ngiyaphambanisa house nigger angithi abantu abamnyama bebe okay nigger vele igama lomuntu omnyama labelunga ngithi lokusidegrade so lase America so ihouse nigger bekuyilesi sigqila somuntu omnyama esisebenzela ngaphakathi endlini esifuthwa ama aircon yabo so ihouse nigger laba abashiswa ilanga lapha phandle kwiplantation abalimayo abenza zonke izinto ezinzima lapha elangeni bebethi mabethi bayaphakama bafuna ukurevolta against lo master obahluphayo bashayayo benzana obabulalayo benzana ama house niggers ibona abeba against bona because bona bashaya umoya la ngaphakathi abantu abasenkingeni laba balapha ngaphandle so we've got a lot of house niggers kubantu abamnyama yabo aba protect isystem bengazi ukuthi ba protect isystem yabo bona ngokwabo umuntu akuzombeka icala phela kodwa ngokwabo bona bayitshela ukuthi benza kahle kanti ibona ba protect isystem okugcina yabo abelungu angazi noma ngakusho lokho kwi last podcast ukuthi I sat across the table nensizwa nobaba owayekhona eTanzania when angifuna ungena ngigxile lapho kodwa wayekhona eTanzania when iorder iphuma eyokuthi kwakufanele kuzo invade kujijiki bayezosebenza emaredweni ukuthi uMandela usezophuma akekho wabuyela wayoba inform this is first hand information that I'm talking about yes. So information lena shuthi automatically bizela kimi ngoba shuthi I needed it for lo msebenzi engiwenzayo so as a result everything else fell apart from there uyabo and we just saw a video manje where uWinnie was also saying the same thing ukuthi uma sivuma lokhu kusho ukuthi sonikeza abantu ifake freedom so thina ngo94 besibhiyoza sijabula sithi sikhululekile abelungu nabo bebebhiyoza bejabula bethi lezi iphukuphuku lezi aziboni ukwenzakalana so ngoba ama leadership yethu was captured that is the sad part and abantu abakhuluma njengathi inzondo ibankulu yabo inzondo ibankulu ugcina usale wedwa stikini mawenza izinto so indaba yokuthi isystem isetshenziswe kanjani i-deep sozigidi i-deep ukuyichaza uyichaza umuntu athi usakubambela uphinda umluze because indaba ikwi-attack of your subconscious now where besinqoba khona kwangempela belungu is when beplanela umuntu wesilisa umuntu wesilisa uplanelwa nje safika emhlabeni ngoba kufanele akhule beyisibodo ngoba uma uzokhumbula kahle asikaze size ngoMrs Jan van Riebeeck asibaza amakhosikazi amaPakistan afika la eSouth Africa kufika insizwe ngoba kusuke kuzothathwa izwe
eSouth Africa
kusuke kuzothatha izwe akufika amakhosikazi amakhosikazi afika after seqhamuka sekusafe sekusetshenziswe sebezohlala nabo maye thina insizwe noma abantu besilisa
bala eSouth Africa
we're not fighting against indaba yokuthi sikwazi ukuyimela uyabo asikho nje involved ezintweni ezinobu entrepreneurship ezintweni ezinoku side hustling yabo no we just want to be employed because that is how we were programmed and lento ibhlungu ngoba until sisolve indaba yokuthi umuntu wesilisa aphakame eSouth Africa until sisolve sizolokhu sithi ama foreigners afika lazo sithathela imisebenzi and by the way ngifuna mhlawumbe ukuphinda ngisize laba abane problem yok understand ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bayithatha kanjani imisebenzi eSouth Africa ngendlela yokuthi even nakulama industries ekunabantu eSouth Africa abasebenzayo ngokweqiniso baluze and I'm not saying ukuthi ku 100% lokho engusho but ngifuna nje ukubekela abantu icontext so ekusebenzeni kwami lomsebenzi ukuthi ngizama ukuhlanganisa abantu nje ukuthi bahlangane benze into yabo bebona so ngaqala ekhaya empangeni ngalandela umunye ibhuti okuthiwa uNtokozo wakha nje kahle wakha nje uma ungabona izindla zakhile uyakha ngempela so ngashadukisha yena ngihamba naye ngifana nomuntu manje ukube umechanic ngabe unguSpanela boy kusho ukuthi ngudaka boy wakhe kahle so saqeda enye indlu waseyoqala enye indlu leyo ndlu kwakumele ukuthi alungise iroof yonke le yandlu yayonakele so wabenzela i-quotation ayenza yathi 45,000 nakhona sekubalwe nematerial lapho sekunjani so sahamba sazi ukuthi sizobuya ngesonto elizayo sesizoqala ukuqaqa le roof ukuzilungisa ngoba yonke iroof nje ayitshekile nje ivavekile guess ukuthi kwenzakalani uma sibuya ubuya uzothola ukuthi umsebenzi sewuluzile
yeah
because kuvele kwafika insizwa angazi uma seMozambique noma yaseZimbabwe noma yaphi noma yasemala uvele kwafika nje yafika nayo yabuka yathi hayi mina lokhu ngakwenza u15,000 ubani kozokhokha 45,000 kukhona umuntu ka15,000 standard sokuphila sase South Africa ne standard sokuphila sasezweni salowo siyafana
ayifana
indaba lapho so ungalwa ube nenkinga wena ohlala kwi corporate office ongekho lapha in the trenches lapha ekusetshenzwa khona awuyazi lento engikhuluma ngayo because yenzeka all the time yabo and again mina angisiyele inhlobo yomuntu ethi igenge yangaphandle sifuna ukuthi ihambe because ekugcineni wakho konke uma sesijula ngalokho siyazi sofikaphi ukuthi sonke sisukaphi uyabo so angifuni ukukujulela but uma uzoyibuka kwi context yokuthi right now what is happening into inama layers ukuze kulunge le yanto kusuke kufanele eqale kulunge lokho bese mase kulungile lokho sekuzokwazi ukulungiswa lokho kunomfowethu engangamlalela ku TikTok la ngiyadigressa ke njengamanje kodwa bese ngingenile kuleli iphuzu but ngiyathanda ukuyiveza le kunomfowethu okwavela ku TikTok ephendula wona lo mbuzo ukuthi South Africa siyalwa silwela ukuthi ama foreigners ahambe ngenxa ye laziness yethu nani wathi lo mfowethu kule video ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi igama lakhe lamphutuba kwakungathi SABC or what was the show uthi lo mfowethu ngalesi kuqale kwaliwa indaba zoFees Must Fall kwaliwa ziningi nje izinto kwazoliwa indaba ezitethu in njengoba sekulewa manje indaba yama illegal foreigners because it's not just phela all foreigners so uthi anisho lutho uma sisenza lokho silwa noFees Must Fall sizona ukuthi abelungu silwa nabo all the time eSouth Africa all the time sihlezi silwa nabo abelungu but manje we've got an urgent problem uyabo ekudilwa nawo nje kodwa belungu silwa nabo all the time so ngayithanda indlela ayichaza ngayo because explain the current situation esibhekene nayo ngoba iqiniso khona lithi i-majority not everybody not all of them i-majority asikho safe asikho safe anyway so bengidigressa nje lapho ngifuna ukuthinta le ndaba ukuthi umqondo uattackwa ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi umuntu omnyama ehleze dividekile ngaso sonke isikhathi mhlawumbe ngibuye ngibe personal kuwena Sozigidi njengamanje you are doing everything in your power ukuhlanganisa abantu abamnyama base South Africa but already into ehlanganisa engavuthwa nokuvuthwa sekuvele sokunamaqemqembu so I divide and conquer it is automatic emqondweni umuntu njengamanje
programmed
so which is why mina ngeke ngithi in fact sengithi bengingakusho lokho before which is why manje ngithi I cannot work with umuntu ongadlulile kwi program yami personal development I cannot ngoba kunzima ukuthi ngikuthembe ukuthi uunderstanda ukuthi umqondo operate kanjani and uzokwazi ukuthi wenze izinto ekufanele ukuthi uzenze. It's just nje ipolicy yamentsha le and I hope izongisebenzela.
Yes.
I hope izongisebenzela kodwa nje indaba le lapho ukuthi isystem isilimaza ngokuthi asazi ukuthi iyasilimaza. Angazi noma yenze sense lento.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Asazi ukuthi iyasilimaza. That's where isilimaza khona ngoba we don't know ukuthi every day isystem is still working against your mind. Yabo, every day system is still working against your mind.
Yes.
We're still forcing our kids to school. We're still doing izinto ebekuvele zenziwa ukuze nathi sikhule sibe labantu esiyibone imajority yabantu. So lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi nathi siphinde siphoqe ingane zethu ukuthi zenze into lengasebenzelanga nazo and so on and so on. So leli sonda belungu abalikhanda until silstophe. And akuhulula ukulistop leli sonda kodwa lona fanele ligcine listophiwe.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngicela ukuma lapho sozogeta.
Umuntu oyithole segaxele kule nkinga. Yiziphi indlela angenza ngazo ukuyikhipha kule problem?
Sozogeta. Mhlawumbe umuntu akeqale ku-information encane nje ethe kusala. Engathi crucial.
Yes.
Ekuthenini sidile nendlela yama solutions. So kunalezi insuku ezimbili wonke umuntu ezibalekile. Usuku lakho lokuzalwa, usuku lakho lokudlulela ezweni lomoya.
Yes.
Amanye amazwi usuku lakho lomncwabo. So eyibhedlela zabantu abamnyama. Omama bateta bebodwa emawodini. Kungekho lunga lamndeni, kungekho sihlobo, kungekho lutho in most cases. So imagine ukuthi uma ufika emhlabeni usuke uphethe zonke izinto zakho. Whether ufumbethe isandla, whether umbethe, whether whatever else nesingakwazi. By the time ufika wena emhlabeni ufikela kubantu ongabazi.
Yeah.
Uma wakho unconscious. Akukho sihlobo sakho nesisodwa esikhona esizonakekela ukuthi izinto zakho zonke ziyaphelela ukuze ubuyele nazo ekhaya. So right away as umuntu omnyama uhamba uye ekhaya usunqunu.
Sure.
Usuzohlupheka impilo yakho ke manje ngenxa ukuthi izinto zakho zasala esibhedlela.
Yes.
Bangaka abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo namhlanje ngenxa ukuthi izinto zabo zasala esibhedlela. Kumele uma kukhona umuntu odete ekhaya kube khona umuntu wasekhaya ewodini lapha atetela khona because unconscious meteta ngithi. Uzozilwela kanjani makukhona izinto ayibona ezingahambi kahle la. Ngoba phela siyazazi izinto ezenzeka emawodini sizwa njalo ngazo. Mina njengamanje nje nginesimo engisasilandele sinjalo ngoba ingane zami ezimbili I was there ewodini zidedwa. It's only umagcina engangingekho and kunezinto engizwayo ekusafanele ukuthi ngiyilandelele.
Yes.
Uyabo. So bese kuzoba usuku lakho lokugcina. And by the way, so njengoba usuphuma esibhedlela izinto zakho ingasaphelele, usuzontanta impilo yakho yonke ke manje. Ungasakwazanga ukuphila up to your fullest potential. Uyabo. Because awudinga ukufaka effort eningi if izinto zakho ebuncaneni bakho zilungiseke kahle.
Yes.
Usuku lakho lokugcina. Usuku lakho lokugcina in most cases abantu abasuke be in charge of usuku lakho lokugcina abanamoya. So befaka ukhololo. Abakwazi ukucommunicate nabantu abadala. Bakutadishile kuba bafundisi.
Yeah.
So ngamanye amazwi uma kukhona isaga esenzakalayo la yabo kuke kwenzeka imanga nje emncwabeni kuke kugoloza ibhokisi nje ungena ukwehla
emgodini.
Yeah, legoloza ibhokisi sik experience ile lokho nje emncwabeni ugcina ekhaya. But no one was able to figure out ukuthi kudalwa yini lokho. Yeah, ibhokisi ofanele libuye likhishwe qala phansi umgodi ekhaya sesancwaba kaningi. Asingeke sihlule ukukala umgodi yabo. So abantu abasuke be in charge of ukudlulisela ezweni lomoya abakwazi nokubona ngisho into eziobvious ukuthi hayibo yazi la bekudingeka nje kwenzeka into ethile espiritual ukuze azohamba kahle umuntu endleleni yakhe. Ustakhe ke manje usuba yidloze leyinkinga selifuna ukwenzela izinto ngoba kunezinto nje ezincane ukube kwakuumuntu okwazi ukubona ukwazi ukucommunicate nabantu abadala ezokwazi ukuyibona la. So these 2 days zibalekile kodwa manje it's like asazi ukuthi izibalekile yabo. Usuku lakho lokufika nosuku lakho lokuhamba. So again abelungu baqinisekisa ukuthi they take charge of both these days through isibhedlela na through ama funeral parlors a controlwa I narrative yabo belungu yabo so engakho singena indlela straight so angeke ngize ngithi so masikhuluma ama solutions kufanele siqale sisolve lokho akangahambi umuntu ayoteta yedwa how sizohamba sesobona ingane ngesikhathi eteta just imagine ngesikhathi eteta ube unconscious mina ngivele that's the term nje ngithanda ukusebenzisa because usuka kade sebenza kanzima yabo kunensizwa ekuthiwa yaseAmerica wathi brother Polite kunenye video kade ngibuka izolo kade ngamlandela ngamshona isystem yamlwisa ngoba ukhuluma zona lezo zinto lezo even ngendlela yokuteta
yes
ukuthi umuteta wife awulale umuteta ngoba mina ngiyakhumbula ngizwa kahle amanesi ukuthi ayithini ngakhathi eteta uma wengane kunolimo olukhulunywa kusuke kungazi ukuthi uya usendlini encane ake ngibeka kanjalo ngifuna ukubeka amagama aqosheme so manje uya kanjani endlini encane ulele ubuza lo mbuzo ubrother Polite uthi uya kanjani endlini encane ulele futhi wena ufika etoilet ufika ulala uzoyikhulula kanjani ulele ngoba leya process ifana nokuthi usendlini encane yabo so into enjalo so until we start solving that problem ebese ingane siyayinaka before nje ngize ngiye ko personal development ebese ingane yanakwa ingane aseyinaki zikhulisa zona yabo so ingane ibuye esikoleni yenza okufunwa yiyona because thina singabazali sayisusa responsibility kithi ukuthi fanele sifundise izingane zethu yabo sinabazali avuka ekseni hambisa ingane ecrash ebengayindawo yena
engayindawo
akayindawo ingane ihambisa ecrash kuchithwe imali ingane zihanjiswa ama crash ifake kwenziwe imphako fanele kwenziwe nomalume but akayindawo uzosala yedwa lapha ku TV the whole day uma
uyisusela lo nje utabe nesineke sokubuka iTV
angeke sisho sithi wonke umuntu wenza njalo yabo kodwa ngeke nginotice nje leyo nto leyo ukuthi until we take responsibility as abazali ukuthi ingane yami yimina engiresponsible ukuthi ifunde izinto zala ekhaya ngokuthi la ekhaya kube nezinto ke eziworth ukufundwa because amakhaya amaningi awanazo izinto eziworth ukufundwa because yonke into siyibukele ngaphandle ukuthi yonke into fanele soyithola kubelungu yonke into fanele soyithola kuphi so indaba iqala ekuthenini ingane from incane let's take charge of the kids if ingane singayinaki zisencane ubuka belungu benza njani they make sure ukuthi mayiphuma esikoleni ingane ulapha ayithathu isa kwikarate class training yebhola ini uyena lapha mazidlala ingane zabelungu imoto zabelungu zigcwele lapha nababuka
basondele eduze
bathina abantu bathi bona basosemsebenzini abanaso leso sikhathi
basemsebenzini
sizoba khona nini leso sikhathi angithi that is precisely the point ukuthi why singezukwazi ukuprogressa sicompete nabo because ebuncaneni bethu as empowerisheki enough because sihleli lapha esikoleni if you are a good parent yabo usebenza kahle but ingane zakho ayinakeke you cannot be sure ukuthi ingane yakho lapha esikoleni ifunda into ekhona ngeke uzobe nesure ukuthi ingane yakho lapha esikoleni ngisho ungayifundisa wena okungakanani la ayikho ingane evuka ekseni ithi namhlanje ngihalela iwunga it's a process yokuthi ingane yakho ijwayelane nabantu ababheme iwunga ibe neaccess yemali engakakwazi ukuyicontrola because sijajuliswa ukuthi ingane siyinikeza imali sayidotsa ingane siyinikeza imali we don't build programs for ingane zethu yabo and I'm not talking about into mina engayenzi yabo ufana wami uqala uthe emehlanganiso 12 through ukudlala kwakhe ayikho into special eyenzeka ngoba ngamtrainer ngahlala nawo 2 years in those 2 years ama basics engamnika wona akwazi ukuthi amenze abe soccer player strong yabo so at my 10 or 12 wathathwa ubuntu yaka manje ufunda mahala ngoba udlala ibhola and ama prospect njeka manje kusasa lakhe sesezandleni zakhe mina kufanele ukuthi ngiqedile meqhubekile njengoba disciplined ubuntu buzomthatha bomxhumanise ne team professional mase credit school and so on and so forth
yes
laba basebancane already ngine program esengiqalile ukuthi ngizobenzisa inani because ngifuna ukuthi nabo bathi beqede primary sekukhona into esenzakalayo esisethe ilokuza yabo ngingahlali ngishona nabo full time I'm able to create those programs for them so as abazali we need to the first solution let us qale sinake ingane asiqale sikhanda ama programs for ingane zibe responsible ingane abuye esikoleni ibe nento eba busy ngayo except ukwehlenyuka emgwaqeni uyabo
ingabe nesikhathi nje sobofazi
and ngoba in 5 years time uzobe usuqedile umzali kuzobe sekungenile sekuautomated enganeni
sekuzenzakela
so that has build programs for our kids singayekela ikole ukuthi kube izona ezizosikhulisela izingane zethu because that is what excuse me that is what uSomtse was counting on ukuthi egcineni wakho konke sifuna baphume bonke ekhaya ingane iphuma esikoleni umzali uphuma emsebenzini ngasali umuntu la ekhaya there's no legacy ebuild la ekhaya so sakhuluma nalokho the last time but sengigcizelela ukuthi part of a solution let us first take charge of ingane zethu ingane azingazikhulisi zona zihambe zohlala ezitolo ukuze kushona ilanga ingane entombazana ingane omfana it doesn't matter iyehlenyuka emgwaqeni isiphi leso sport ukwehlenyuka emgwaqeni
yo
ingane efanele ngaso sonke isikhathi ibe busy ngento econstructive einteresting kuyona ingane izojabula mayenziswa lokho yabo mina kuze ngibe good in soccer ngathatha i-decision ngathi mangibona i-team engangifuna ukudlalela yayenza izinto engiyifisayo ngahamba ngawacela kubaba ngase ngazi ukuthi okay shothi esikoleni imele ngenze kahle ngoba ngabhede esikoleni ngiyayekiswa ibhola so that's why I was good esikoleni ngigood nasebholeni ngoba ngangifuna uqinisekisa ukuthi ibhola ngiliyeke yabo so that is how I kept leyo balance so and ubaba abazali they were in charge yabo kwakuyicefe kabi thina sakhula sithi sadlala sesiyabizwa sesiyathunywa sesenzisa izinto ubaba bemsebenzini ekhathele asidebateise asenzisa ama homework create izibalo create spelling esenzisa noma ngabe yini ebuye emsebenzini ekhathele naye yabo he took isikhathi sakhe ukuthi asenzise lezo zinto lezo
yes
ngapho mama naye uyasifundisa naye izimo zonke kufanele ukuthi sidile nazo zekhaya yabo so abazali they need to start taking charge of ingane zekuyikhulisa zona that is the first thing yabo so sasingaya ke sesiyake kithina ke sibadala ukuthi thina sibadala solution yethu ke ithini solution yethu ukuthi unfortunately sihlangane which izinto esihlulayo but indlela esihlangana ngayo kufanele sihlangane sisiqale sizokhenika imiqondo yethu there's a reason why military umuyo train military musafika kuyiwa endaweni le nisho ngabe kuthiwa inkambi yamasosha ingale komgwaqo kwakini ngeke ubuye uze ekhaya wayiqedile induction because kumele uqale ukhishwe ubcivilian ube militant ube yisosha
yes
uyabo so within a month 2-3 months we induction usuphumile ekuthenini kube necivilian usuwazi wonke ama customs alapha ngoba kade ugxishwa wona for the past 30 60 90 days yabo awuvumelekile ukuthi uvakashe kuze kuthiwa liberty ukuphuma unenje mhlawumbe edolobheni niye a couple of hours ngiqale ninikeze ama hours amba to liberty ngoba kusuke kuyinto ekufanele nisebenzele ukuthi niyithole yabo so yona nto ezokwazi ukuthi sisize leyo ukuthi we must build programs are permanent personal development
yes
so when I say my programs are permanent usually abantu ba-attenda i-workshop seminar afunda incwadi ebese ngokwakhe ayitshela ukuthi into seyayazi khumbula ngithena eqaleni siphinda ukwazi siphinda ukwenza so usuphinda nini enough ukuthi wenze usafunda incwadi eyodwa ezimbili ezintathu usuphinda nini ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza usa-attend i-workshop eyodwa personal development ingekho i-program okuyo daily oyenzayo to practice this personal development because personal development before kubantu abamnyama it was built into our way of life
yes
yabo wengasi into emele siyifunde i-way of life was personal development into besikhula nayo nje yabo so manje kayisekho angithi ingane seyikhula ziwandarisha itrad so ayiseki personal development manje efakwe enganeni esencane sekumele masomdala ke manje qala phansi ke manje uyeklasini again uyofunda manje ukuthi how do you focus your mind wenza njani ukuthi ukwazi ukufocus umqondo wakho how do you stay healthy wenza njani ukuthi ukwazi ukuset igoal uyiachieve wenza njani ukuthi ukwazi ukubuilda impilo yamaphupho akho yabo so khona ama systems ama protocols akhona ukwazi ukuthi wasebenzise wenza leyo so that's why workshop ngiyibiza introduction to African personal development because we forget the African part of personal development kuma workshops amaningi myself included over the past years mangenza ama workshops. So this one izohluka ngalokho. So mina yami solution to adults ithi zi associate nabantu abafuna lento ifunayo bese unqala iprogram ezothuthukisa umqondo wakho, but not just in theory. Iprogram ezothuthukisa umqondo wakho in practice, because you must practice izinto ezizokusala wena ufuna ukuthi uye khona. Uma kukhulunywa ngemeditation, meditation isakhuluma ngayo kusasozikhethe. Meditation ihlukene kaningi and wonke umuntu unendlela yakhe ya meditate ngayo athi iyone powerful iyone njani.
Yes.
Mina meditation engayifundiswa nje simple silence and stillness. Akhona ke phela amanye sengizifundise wona, kodwa i-basic silence and stillness meditation e common across wonke ama generations nje emhlabeni. So if you start by associating yourself nabantu who do meditation, you associate yourself nabantu abane positive attitude towards impilo, abantu aba understand the affirmation. Mawenza ama affirmations around labo bantu bengeze ukubuka ngathi uyahlangela ekhaya. Ngamanye amazwi environment yakho isolution iqala kwi environment. So yes, what I'm trying to build manje is an environment yabantu abacabanga ngendlela eyodwa. In fact, I'm not trying to build this. We've been working on this for a very long time. So we're building a community abantu abacabanga ndawonye, abacabanga njalo ngendlela efanayo.
Yes.
As much as behlakazekile, because again system isasibambile in terms of ukuhlakazeka.
Yes.
But what we want to create this community everywhere. Ukuthi kube na this community everywhere, this community everywhere, this community everywhere. So uma kuthiwa sesiyaqala sesiyasebenza sesiya business ndawonye, kukhona itheory mina ngiyibuka ngelinye iso lento. Kukhona itheory ethi singabantu ngeke sonke sibe namabhizinisi. Well, kuyiqiniso lokho in this era, but it doesn't mean ukuthi singabantu ngeke sonke sibe namabhizinisi. Meaning ukuthi we can all have businesses. If singaba business minded, we can all have businesses. AI njengamanje, i-revolution AI is on another level. Yabo sozikede uma ngathiwa wonke umuntu omnyama over the next 90 days utadisha AI. Masikhuluma ngokutadisha AI, we're not talking about into special. Sikhuluma ngokuthi nje awubuka ivideo ekhuluma nge-app ye-AI ethile every day. Just namhlanje buka ivideo ekhuluma nge-AI ethile ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Make interest leyo AI, ubone ukuthi konto ongayenza ngayo. Then buka ama video ubuze nakuyi AI ngayo the whole week, so that ukwazi ukuyigqoka le information le AI. Mhlawumbe izokwazi ukuthi ebusinessini lakho olenzayo noma into enofuna ukuyenza wazi ukuthi ikusize. Yes. But AI revolution is the biggest thing njengamanje. The biggest thing njengamanje.
Whether you like it
umuntu who is not paying attention to AI right now. And unfortunately Nkosi yami singabantu abamnyama kuyafika kudlule kuze kufike okunye asikakubambi lokho ya. Yabo sesa-strugglisha uku-emaila namhlanje. Emaila nje sisa-strugglisha. Yabo sesa-strugglisha just nje to get on the internet, because we izinto eziningi sizibona zikude nathi. Njengamanje i-technology so advanced that kune yabo Google une workforce yama app. I workforce lama app ukwazi ukwenza izinto that you can't believe. You can create videos, images, content, you can learn. Kukhona a platform okwazi ukuthatha i-information, uthatha ama YouTube links, ngathatha noma abe mangaka kwagxisha khona lapha bese uthi ayikufundise ngawo whatever sokufuna ukufunda, noma ikugeneratele i-content based on these links, so that uzokwazi ukwenza mhlawumbe ufuna ukukhanda i-faceless YouTube channel ngoba uyasaba ukuvela kwecamera, yabo. ngelinye ilanga umonetize nawe just nje ngokuthi usebenzise AI and create ama videos uwaposte izokwenzela yonke into izokwenza khona into ekuthiwa i-SEO search engine optimization izokwenza sure AI ukuthi even izinto zakho zi SEO certified. Search engine optimization is just nothing but ukuthi abantu mabe searcha online into yakho ngendlela oyichaze ngayo ikwazi ukushesha ivele uyabo ama keywords setshenziswa ama keywords nani uyabo so ulimi lwe-internet ulimi lwe-AI fanele usilukhulume uyabo asuke ke manje kwi-AI as in ama app size kwi-AI as in functionality ke manje so if ubheka njengamanje ngakhuluma ngokuthi eFinland I think around 2017 when I started talking about indaba yokuthi badedela amabhasi autonomous ay driver. Now umqashi omkhulu kunabo bonke uthi Tony Robbins njengamanje ubuza ama politicians aseAmerica ukuthi nenza kanjani ukurethula ukufundisa abantu kabusha ukuthi bazophila kanjani uma iAI isiyithathe yonke lemsebenzi yokudriver. Imsebenzi yokudrive izohamba sesosala nje phela sibe nenkani eSouth Africa uyabo ngoba imoto zayidriver already manje uyabo ngathi eSouth Africa kusayinkinga indaba yeimoto ekagesi.
Yes.
Angaze ngihlangane mina nendawo yokucharge imoto kagesi. Yabo kula madolobha ethu kodwa msho phela mhlawumbe ikhona endaweni zalaba abazigwili. Kodwa one of the biggest solutions is to use AI to fast track your learning.
Yes.
Ake ngangibali mina nama workshops ami angakusiza ukuthi ube ingxenye. Yabo ungena kwi-AI uzoba overwhelmed vele. Ngoba information iningi kakhulu uzongazi ukuthi kuphi kumele ukuthathe kuphi okuyi-latest kuphi okunjani yabo because umuntu has been navigating this for iminyaka izinto zenzeka. I started showing abantu mina uChatGPT ufika wawuna weeks if not months uChatGPT ufikile. I was showing abantu how to use it wawusa hallucinate kwangempela ke lapho kubuza into vele ukhuluma into engekho hayi nje usukwazi ukcreate izinto ezipowerful kangaka manje 2023 already so 2026 manje. And the growth ye AI is on another level. So everybody I mean ingane partner ndawo mdala unjani ufundile thatha isikhathi sakho ngena yabona nje investor kwi data if there is anything ekufanele ukuthi imali yakhe eningi ispende kuyo manje i-internet indaba ye WhatsApp data usozigidi ayizokufikisa ndawo buka I'm telling you lwela ukuthi ubuke ukuthi i-data lisebenzisayo enyangeni lingakanani ebese uinvesta kwi data ngasethi vision board man this was 2016 kwi vision board yami ngabhala ukuthi I have unlimited data because I understood then ukuthi i-data impilo and ngaqala back in 2004 ukuhlala kulokhuzana ukusebenzisa i-internet yabo ngiphila kuyi-internet back in 2004 by the time ngiya kwi-military ngivele ngine computer endlini edonsa ngo Telkom welokhuzana welona oxhunywa udongeni yabo so i-internet impilo manje
so uzama uchaza ukuthi sozigida umuntu osavuka yakamlungu engakholelwa kulezi zinto ze-internet usemuva manje.
Angikwenzela isibonelo sazigidi izolo ngiyasuka ngikwenza njalo ke lokho ngisebenzise uCloud ngasebenzisa uChatGPT ngathi ngidinga imali ngibhala ngesingisi ngidinga imali i-prompt engineering le awungiphe a business idea engingayenza within the next 1 to 3 hours formulate manje ngiphasise ngideploy within the next 1 to 3 hours ebese within the next 7 days bese ngenzela imali within seconds bobabili banginikeza one business model bobabili banginika one business model engingayiqala manje ngideploy manje bese kuya ngokuthi mina ngikwazi kangakanani ukuthi ngiyimarket na imarketing yakhona ngifuna kuyena ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity or Grok bonke they will give you information ngokuhlukahlukana yabo so AI at the tip of your yabo njengoba ubuka le video uyibuka efonini yakho makuthi uyibuka efonini yazi ukuthi in your hand uphethe i supercomputer enayo yonke information Kunento engiphethe engayi-understand angazi noma i-side effect ye-antibiotic ebengisebenzisa yini. Ngingenile ngachaza ukuthi nginenhlungu engizizwa endaweni ethile kanje ngachaza specific ukuthi ngizwani. Ngathi yini engakhoza lento inini solution within seconds. Ama solutions nokuthi yini exactly lena engiphethe. So uphethe supercomputer ekwazi ukungena kwi-internet within seconds ithathe yonke information ebese ibuyiza ukunikeza yona, which means there goes tertiary institutions. Why would I go pay me thousands at tertiary ngibe into engizoyifunda at tertiary ngingayifunda within seconds ngiphethe esandleni. So sisazoya phela ema tertiary ngoba ku subconscious mind yethu kusahlela tertiary. Uyabo sisazoya ilokho kuphela kuzosiyisa tertiary manje ukuthi kwi subconscious kusahlela tertiary. Uma ufunda the whole sequence yokufunda kwakho ukuthi uzofunda ngena kwa matric hambe uyofunda kude at tertiary. Bese umzali ke ngihlawuma ekhona ngisho nje leyo kufunda uhambe ufunda le kude tertiary mhlawumbe uzoya eCape Town mhlawumbe uzoya ko UJ mhlawumbe uzoya kuphi yabo khona kwi style
sablockele le nto le
knowing what happens ema res mina ayikho ingane emeza ires knowing ukuthi wenzalana ema res ngoba ngahlala khona eres ayingane emeza ires sekukhona AI no ayikho ingane emeza ires ngoba ingane zami by the time zifika leminyaka kufanele ngabe seyiqeda umatric zizobe zenimali enjengemali.
Yes
ezobe seyifundisekile ngomqondo ukuthi usebenza kanjani vele ubabazo ziyamazi ukuthi wenzani azikazi imbone emsebenzini. So zizosebenza phezulu kwelegacy yakhe ngoba uyazi involve entweni ezenza kule workshop engikhuluma ngezobe sekupheleni kwenyanga. Le workshop izobe ngomhla ka 30 ngomhla ka 30 kuzalwa uMagcina. So mina ngiyaqinisekisa ukuthi uma ngenza umsebenzi omkhulu ingane zami zikhona. Ngoba ngisuke ngifuna ukuthi zazi ukuthi baba ngiplanta imbewu engeke yaphinde yaphuma emqondweni wazo, which is what we must do as part of our solutions singabazali. You can't take your child to your work. Ngoba kwasa awufuni ukuthi ufunde lo msebenzi because umsebenzi mhlawumbe ongawuthandi wasawena.
Yeah.
So mina I want ingane zami ukuthi zikwazi engikwenzayo ziyichoosele ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani. Ifana lento nokunderstand numerology yabo. Understand life path number yakho ukukusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuzichanela empilweni ukuthi ubheke kuphi uyabo. Wena and ngithole manje le information ngo2023 indaba yama life path numbers bengayazi indaba yenumerology uyabo. So inumerology ingisize ukuthi ngibe nesiqinisekiso ukuthi ngisendaweni right ngokwento engiyifundayo ngoba mangibuka life path number I'm based on my date of birth ingitshele lokho. But ngiyakubona kwami okwengane zami nginengane life path number 11 which is u11. Now mawuzo check ukuthi u11 it's an angel number powerful kanjani nobuke nama circumstances azalwa ngayo uyabona ukuthi okay if you understand we early ukuthi lengane le inani then iyakwazi ukuchaneleka yabo. I've got life path number 7 njengami, I've got life path number 3. So laba abantu boyi3 already ibehavior yabo iyakhombisa ukuthi babheke phi nempilweni mina fanele ngibachanele kanjani based on their life path numbers on numerology. Part of solutions, we're talking about solutions yabo. So uma siya kuma workshops sisuke siyoxoxa ngazo zonke lezi zinto. Sifike sifundisana ukubala ama life path number bese sifundisana ukuthi how do you associate yourself ne life path number yakho zonke lezo zinto. So i workshop is something a life changing, is something ozofika kuyo makuphela uzobe ngeke ngisho ukuthi uzobe ngomunye umuntu but uzobe usu transformed but kuzobe ngapheli lapho khumbula uphinda. So after i workshop sizobe sesiqala i program to make sure izinto ezobe sizenza kwi workshop sesiyazi practice so that abantu bekwazi ukuthola ama results because i personal development must be results based yabo. So mina isifiso sami esokuthi abantu bezwe bese beyenza because mabezwe benza sizokwazi ukuthi sithathane siyobekana kwi platform ezokwazi ukuthi sisize sonke. Iyona ndlela esokwazi sihlangane ngayo sibhithu somtseyo ke nazo zonke lezi zinto azenza kithi sidlula ku personal development. Masinga izingane zifuna ukuthi zilandele thina asibe nento esikwazi ukuyinika izingane njengamanje asinalutho esikwazi ukulinika izingane.
Qinisile
yabo,
qinisile ngakufazela lapho ngoba khona la ngike ngabonisana nabanye sozigida ukuthi yonke into masiqala iqala endlini ayiqala ekhaya. Makukhona into la kuthiwa sihlangana khona ungamshiyi umama ungayishiyi ingane yakho because ngenkathi iqala endlini iphumela emphakathini mayiphumela emphakathini iphumela esizweni sonkana. So ngamanye amazwi ngiyayithanda kakhulu oyibekayo mose ukhuluma ngeindaba zokuthi khona i-workshop ezoba khona. So mhlambe ungasiqinisekisa ukuthi le workshop izoba ngasiphi isikhathi maphi mhlambe i-date.
Mhlambe before ngisho ngidisclose nje information ngayo. In fact sozigidi angayidisclose information ngayo one interest yayo kube uyena osithinta.
Ayi.
Yabo into engiyithandile eyenzeke from the past work podcast
1 minute.
Ukuthi abantu bebengithinta privately. Bese ngiya accepta ngiyabaphendula ize ngibaphendulele ithini ngithanda ukuxolisela lokho ngoba umuntu besenza ama preparations. Uyabo. So ngithanda ukuthi ngiyiveze leyo part ukuthi sisebenza esikhathini sesitha sozigidi. So ukuvela disclose yonke into oyenzayo usuke unikeza wonke uhlobo lomuntu yonke indlela ukuthi akatheke ngiatheke kakhulu empilweni yami ngoba lo msebenzi engiwenzayo and ngabatshela abantu engangisebenza nabo back ngo-27 before covid ukuthi noma kwenzakala umsebenzi engiwenza ngenguyeke yabo ngize nguyeke. Even though I know ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe kuyofabricate istory ngami kukhulunywe zonke izinto eziyokhulunywa ngami kodwa ngabatshela ukuthi awiqali lento umuntu ayenzayo ungazange ukucabange konke lokho ukuthi sisebenza phela against isitho once wathinta umqondo ila umlungu akunaka khona ukuthi ayibo usuthinta into ezokuphaphamisa abantu so sekufanele kube khona indlela zokusabotage systematically ayibeke in place vele yena.
Yes.
So with regards to a workshop workshop ngizocela ukuthi one interest yona izobe isamwe eThekwini futhi izobe ekedolobheni eThekwini izobe kwelinye lamalokishi so kodwa izobe seholo nje lomphakathi kwelinye lamalokishi so i-date nje ngayibeka ukuthi yobe umhla ka-30 May so mhlawumbe abantu bangabe beyihlela so ukuze wazi ama details ngoba akusiyona i-free event at the same time futhi akusi event ebizayo ngoba senzela ukuthi wonke umuntu akwazi uku-afford akwazi ukuthi afike akwazi ukuthi azolekeleleka ngoba i-target market yami abantu laba ekuthwana bathatha intweni makusho njalo lolo lima ngolithandi kodwa ke abantu it's everyday South Africans ake ngisho kanjalo yabo personal development usually abantu abavele abami kahle yabo manje mina hayi ngoba ngizenza into special but ngifisa ukuthi siqale legacy ukuthi personal development siyenze ibe into normal so ngamanye amazisise kwi everyday South African so one interest uzoqhubeka asithinte ngalendlela ebade asithinta ngayo sizo reply kuma comment section so reply sixhumane nabantu abazobe be reply with the interest yabo
mhlambi sibeka kuphi lento ye Christianity kulento yethu njengoba sina lenkinga yokulimala engqondweni
just mhlawumbe ukuzama ukusummarize la sazigidi umuntu into ayiphinda again ibuyela back into ayiphinda yena egcina yenza ngithi so what is the greatest story ever told ukuzokusho njalo ukuthi there's a greatest story ever told emhlabeni so the greatest story ever told is story kaJesu so angifuna ukungena ekuthenini ngizogxeka noma ngizokwenza I want to just show abantu if you understand in the beginning when I was explaining ukuthi umqondo usebenza kanjani ukuthi anything ephindiwe i-brachytera barrier ingene kwi-subconscious bese i-control umzimba irrespective ukuthi yini inhle noma imbi so if every day noma every Sunday we are here no ake exaggeration kodwa ake ngibe nje lenient mhlambe ngisebenzise lelo gama njalo ngama Easter Christians celebrate stories kaJesu stories kaJesu sinezinto ezimbalwa ezideep esifaka emqondweni abantu bengaboni sifaka i-theory yokuthi awuthandwa ngakini sifaka i-theory yokuthi what is the second theory nansi ngibalekela ye-betrayal so vele indaba nje stories kaJesu is about Judas Iscariot Judas so if every year between March April whatever date kusuke kuyiyona
Yes.
uyo reliever istory se betrayal wena every year for the past 10 20 30 40 years uyo reliever istory se betrayal every year kwi subconscious yakho kwi therapy yakho kunokho betrayal what ends up happening ukuthi you will find abantu who gets betrayed all the time and you will find abantu who betrays abantu all the time because this is the terminology abantu abahlezi be exposed kuyo all the time so abantu who created I philosophy of Christianity they knew exactly what they were doing in terms of the mind ngoba you can ungabuza bona so zigidi abasontayo ukuthi ubetraywa kangaki ebetraywa umunye umzalwane because this is what they are learning bengazi ukuthi ba umqondo ukhumbula ngithi sithe akwazi ukuthatha ijoke umqondo okwazi ukuthatha ukuthi lokho okufundayo manje no awudingi ukuthi ukusebenzise lokho kuyeke no kwangena emqondweni ungenile and ukuphinda kuzokwenzani uzokwenza because isiphinda phindelani ukwenza asiphinda phindela ukwazi kuphela so i-betrayal ingaka nje kubantu abamnyama i-betrayal ingaka it's because we are learning about it kuma religious institutions all the time ebese kuzoba le ndaba yokuthi ngakini abantu bavele bekulwise nje because bafuna lokhu yilo amfanyana abamaziyo la ukuthi umfana omncane la endaweni masuwenza izinto ezinkulu bese kuba psychological kunalento nje ukuthi ngakini awukwazi ukuphumelela ngakini fanele uhambe kwenye indawo iqhamuka phi leyo theory kanti iqhamuka kuso futhi greatest story ever told yabo so la even if bakithi ubukade unenkinga kangakanani uma kukhulunywa against religion but mawukuthi uunderstandile ukuthi umqondo usebenza kanjani kumele uvume ukuthi lento engisho iqiniso
yes
ngoba mawuyiphika ukhombisa ukuthi vele umqondo wakho wenze njani usunele information say permanent
yes osekhe
once information angena ku subconscious aba permanent awukwazi ukuyishintsha leyo nto leyo so that's why outwitting the devil lokho ngizwa ngemention because the devil laphana mentions ukuthi there is a time la information esuke sipermanent engena emqondweni wakho that's why that process ibizwa ngehypnotic rhythm uyachaza so people must read that book. Then one last thing engizoyisho about this. You know so sikiduma ngase nje. And I used to think about this even before I started lo msebenzi. Just imagine uyihlalele ngale kwendlu. Khona umuntu lokho nje mabhodla. Mabhodla. Uzokwenza njani? Uzosabela ngithi uzuza. So just imagine if emasontweni bangase beyeke ukumention igama lika Sathane, idemoni I don't know what other words about sebenzisa kekudilwe nento positive kuphela for 3 months kekuthiwa nje libheniwe igama lika Sathane for 3 months alimentionwa esontweni. I'm telling you there would be peace. People will start learning izinto constructive because abasayibize negativity. Uthi Bob Proctor kwi secret if you are thinking death you are attracting death. Ubani ufuna isikwenetu akekho but if you are always thinking about it kwenetu uzokwenza njani uzoba nezikwenetu. So if abantu they agree with it analogy yami analogy yo Bob Proctor ukuthi umqondo usebenza kanjani they agree ukuthi siphinda ukwenza
yes
then they must agree ukuthi if you are always hearing about betrayal hlezi njalo kumenyezwana no Satan ukuthi Satan vele uzoze uzokwenza lezi zinto enememezela zona anyway sazikide lento kumina is very very sensitive ngoba impilo yami igqilaze kakhulu yabo so I'm glad ukuthi sengize ngakwazi mina ukuzi-understandela mina yona ukuthi ibagqilaza kanjani abantu why i-tools le colonization el powerful kangaka yabo because we betray each other because of that into esiyifundayo from ebuncaneni bethu stories ka Jesus is the great and also get I don't know what abantu bayazini kune stories ka Jesus sase India same story kune story sa Jesu sase East nje sase Asia same story kune story sa Jesu but why would there be stories fanayo eindaweni ezihlukene about with different names abantu depending ukuthi kuleyo ndawo leyo ukusuke koba yabo so into ebalekile kulokho kade ngikusho ukuthi if you understand now ukuthi umqondo usebenza kanjani then understand ukuthi yakani ukukhuluma ngebetrayal ngoba once naye ukukhuluma ngebetrayal izoncipha kodwa not right away but maybe in the next 20 years 30 years yoqala inciphe le betrayal engaka yethu Umuthi iqala into njalo vele kuzoba khona abantu abazokubetray because vele they're learning about it kukwi subconscious yabo uyabo mhlawumbe hayi ngicatha ngibambe lapho sesike
hayi siyabonga mfoka Matshane siyabonga ngithe angitshontshe nje sesivala kulesi sikhathi ngiyakuzwa impela ukuthi hayi uyayichaza lento ukuthi makunomuntu olokebelesele ememeza ngemuva mabhodla zonke insuku uyasabela mabhodla so ngamanye amazwi ke nganza kwethu sesiyaphuma ke lapha kulona leli khasi ake sifune sithole before siphume ke nganza kwethu ngizofisa ukuthi nginikeze mfoka Matshane elakhe lokuvala
so sikidije ngicela ukuthi ke ngibonge nkosiyami ngiphinde kuzozala kathi ngiyacontradict ngiyathokoza that's the term engithanda ukulisebenzisa igama lami uthokozani so I guess kwakunesizathu why ngithi ngiyathokoza angithi sikhuluma ngalento kaSomtsewu nokushintshela ulimi nani ngithi ngiyathokoza ngoba mangithi ngiyabonga somewhere ku subconscious yami khona ukuthi ngiyakureject lokho engikushoyo because uyayuthini uma kunika umuntu into ongayifuni mhlawumbe umuntu eofferisha amanzi noma idrink noma ukudla uyawuthi ngiyabonga so in your subconscious ukubonga is related with into oyirejectayo as umZulu noma umuntu osebenzisa lolu limi lokubonga so ngiyayithi ke kubantu engisebenzisana nabo even kule workshop ezaso khuluma kakhulu ngale ndaba ukuthi i vibration yokubonga inakho ukuba negative kumuntu because it is usually igama esilisebenzisa to reject something so ingakho siyasebenzisa at least ukuthokoza ukuthi into yenza so ngifuna ukuyicacisa leyo bengifisa ukuthi ingene nayo lapha but ayikwazanga ukungena ngoba into ebaluleke kakhulu le ngoba igratitude ukubonga into ebaluleke kakhulu ekubizeni izinto ezifuna empilweni anyway ngiyabonga kakhulu sazigidi ngiyathokoza kakhulu ngoba umuntu ukwazile ukuthi izinto eziningi abefisa ukuthi ayibeka angazange uyibeka eqaleni kusakuningi yebo personal development iwide kakhulu kodwa nje ngithokoziswa ukuthi ukhande le platform eyokuthi sikwazi ukuziexpressa ngamaqiniso ethu esiwaziyo ngeimpilo zethu esikwaziyo ukwaprove because angaba ngikhuluma kanje kuba ngikhuluma ngento engikwazi ukuyiprove uyabo so nje ngiyathokoza kakhulu ngibonge nje ithuba ngiyethembe nokuthi ke bakithi abantu izokwazi information ukuthi ifike kahle kubona kungabikho ogxebe kubhozo because all that I was doing was ukuzama nje ukuthi ngielaborate ngichaza izinto ngendlela mina ngiunderstanda ngayo ngiyathokoza kakhulu sazigidi asikhohliwe sazigidi ukuthi nge14
yes
kufanele kuyohlanganwa lapha eThekwini kwa asizifuna sizithole so bakukhumbule khona abantu ngoba kulowo mkhakha lowo kuningi okuzofike kuestablisheke so leyo phathi leyo bese nje ngiyibeka
sesiphuma ke lapha kazivala ngizofisa ukugcizelela lapha na ku point lika Matshane ukuthi mhla ka14 kuJune nganza kwethu abantu ke balapha ake sifune sithole kulento yokuyicinga sozigidi bazobe behlangene lapha ya eThekwini indawo ke noma sizoyisho ke kubantu abasuke bebhekene nalo daba sekusondele leso sikhathi bazobe behlangene kakhulukazi KZN ngoba sokhumbula ku ake sifune sithole sozigidi kukhona nabantu bako Mpumalanga khona abantu bako Goli khona abantu bako Eastern Cape so izobe indibani lapha ke eKZN nganza kwethu so cela ukuthi abantu abafisa ukujoina kuleli page ake sifune sithole kule umbrella yokusicinga mfoka Matshane abasondela abantu ilapho ke esikwazi khona ukuthi ke sinabe ngendaba yethu nokulimala kwethu ukuthi sifuna kanjani nifike ke nganza kwethu manifika lapha ku YouTube channel ni subscribe nganza kwethu because khona abanye abantu abangasubscribe ukuze masifaka ama video amasha nikwazi ukuthola ezinye inhlelo ezi report lapha ku screen sakho ukuthi khona umsebenzi omusha ongena waka I know my story ngoba masilapha ka YouTube I know my story masilapha na TikTok @mabhodla ke sifune sithole mfoka Matshane before ngiphume asibange sakhuluma ngendaba ka TikTok page handle yakho
usozigidi 4 inombolo sozigidi 4 ku TikTok ya lizovuka ipage lami ngizoqhubeka ngibuyise content ukuthi khona bekusamele nje ngikulungise ngoba I'm sure babona lokho bebona ivideo eyodwa egcinile ya no khona umsebenzi bekusafanele ngokulungisa owami nje ukuzifuna mina ngiyithole ngoba kuningi kakhulu obhekana nakho mwenza lo msebenzi esiwenzayo.
Yes.
Kodwa nje at Sozigidi 4 muchecka ngosozigidi I'm sure ngizovela.
Hayi, siyathokoza. Ngesonto lesibili nganza kwethu kuJune sizobe sihlangene lapha eThekwini. Abantu baka ake sifune sithole kuzobe kuhlangene eKZN nganza kwethu. Ake sifune sithole ke masikhuluma ngayo khona base Pretoria ko Gauteng province, kube khona bako Mpumalanga, kube khona bako Eastern Cape, kukhona ngisho abantu bako Swazini. So nganza kwethu siyafisa ukuthi ke le gathering esoba naye KZN makukhona onesifiso sokujoyina kwi-page la ake sifune sithole, asondela SDM enganza kwethu ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukumthatha simfake egroupini. So sifisa abantu ke nganza kwethu asebevukile nasebefisa ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphansi komthunzi welanga. Ungangithinta nje kule number 0848015007 ungiWhatsApp, then bese ke ngizobe sengi-allocate egroupini kunomqathango ozoqala uthole wemigomo yegroup. So ngamanye amazwi ke nganza kwethu sicela ukwehla ngobonda, mina umfoka Sithole bese kuzoba umfoka Mkhize ngale enkinobheni. Nganza kwethu nonke hayi sithi khuma nganza kwethu Camako.
Ake sisifune sisithole Mabhodla TV. Mabhodla TV. I know my story. Mabhodla TV.